Hi guys, I'm going out. I'm going to see my Valentine's Day today. So, eto na. So, paalis na ako ng bahay. Super late na ako, nandun na siya. So, let's go! So, I'm here. Here's where we're gonna be eating. Making my party. Danielle's was
Aware na po kayo ma'am sa pay parking.
okay lang. So guys, I'm walking na. So, inside this big gate daw yung entrance. Just gonna go inside. Let's go. This is so nice. Look guys. It's really so good. So here's where we're gonna be having our date. There. At Daniel's. Let's go. It's really good. Ah! It's super nice here. Look at the view. So we're still having chica here. This is our food. So we got pesto. You have to try. It's really nice here. So mga friends ko, let's go in Bataan or here. Hey guys, inabot kami almost 12 midnight. Sa dami namin chismis. So, yun na, pauwi na kami. Bye! Ilaw ng kotse ni Alayka. So, yan. Paalis na kami. Bye, Katie Rock!